going to do is your last stop, we're going to go ahead and take a peek at some horses. Anybody ever done any horseback riding before? Is that right? Anybody fall off? Is that right? Anybody get hurt? Well, you need to go to school here. One thing we do here is that we have about 7 animal species. So beef cattle, dairy cattle, sheep, goats, horses, hogs, and chickens. With the horses, that's one of the animals that when we teach students in animal science, how to take care of them, how to be sure they don't get hurt, how to feed them, in some cases how to reproduce them. And then those jobs are going to be associated with those kind of skills. So out of North Carolina is about number 16 in horses compared to the other 50 states. So we train you how to get a job, people that actually own the horses. Some people own horses, but they really need some help sometimes, being sure if they get sick, how to help them. If they're getting vaccinated, prevent diseases, how to do that. Some kids how to go ride them a lot of times. So we have horse riding parks right here. So A&T, we have a horseback riding club and a horseback riding team. The club is for anybody who wants to know about horses. The team is about 4 people. They go and they compete in various competitions, usually Western horseback riding. So let's go up in there. The horses are kind of out. They usually come up in the morning when you get to eating. When you don't eat, they don't really want to come see you. So we say we'll go up anyway. Come on. So, what's the difference? So how often you get money from a layer? How often you get money? You try to make money. I'm trying to make money from school. I want to college. I want A&T. I want to pay tuition. How much money would I get from layers? How much time would I get make a check? How do you get eggs and chicken?
How many days?
Every day. Every day you get some money. It ain't much now. When do you eat chicken? How long do you wait? 6 weeks. About a month and a half, yeah. So you got. Did you see where they kept it out there? Where the chickens were kept? How many birds? You know how many birds you keep in there? It's about 8,000 birds.
He didn't take us in that part. He didn't take us in that part.
And that's the place where if you go down the road, usually what they call East of 95, people do nothing but they probably have 15,000 birds in the house. So you go in there, only one person took all them birds. So sometimes we use horses for different things. We don't really try to eat them. Although some places around the world, in Europe, they do eat horses. Well, what's the reason why we have horses here? Riding for entertainment. What's another thing about it? What happens in Kentucky? Kentucky Derby. Why do you go to Kentucky Derby? Race. What about race?
Make money.
Make money. So somebody own them. Somebody bet on it, right? You bet on them. What happens if they win the Kentucky Derby? They win the Triple Crown. Anybody know what they do next?
They retire the horse to stud.
They retire, right? Well, why they retire? What are you going to do next?
Sell the semen.
They're going to have babies. And babies with a lot of money.
That's right.
Sometimes like $500,000 for one baby. Because they can win $1 million if they win that Kentucky Derby now. So that they're investing in those type of things. But sometimes they come from farms with a bunch of horses. You might know what you call the mare, the female horse? What's a female horse called? A mare. What do you call the males?
Stallion.
Okay. So sometimes around these farms, you have to take care of them. Otherwise, you can have babies when they pass away. You want to have a new one. So we got to be sure they stay healthy. How not to get hurt? How the horses hurt you? Kick you? Whose legs? And
Front.
what do you call when they get with the front leg? What do you call that? P?